Let's play some Minecraft on the PS3.
Test of emergency alert system capabilities. This test message has been initiated by National Alert and Warning Authorities in coordination with emergency alert system participants, including broadcast, cable, satellite, and wireline participants in your area. Had this been an actual emergency, the attention signal you just heard would have been followed by emergency information, news, or instructions. This is only a test. We now return you to regular programming.
Emergency alert system just had to interrupt it in the middle of my fucking game. That's just rude. That's ID. I'm going to kill the man who's responsible.
Macusoper, I don't know what the hell you're mad about, but you need to shut the fuck up and stop whining like a bitch. It really annoys me when you always complaining about shit.
Diesel, please. I don't have time for your jokes right now. I'm fucking pissed off right now.
Young man, what the hell are you doing here and why do you have a gun in front of my face?
Oh, shut the fuck up and don't move an asshole. This is what you get for ruining my game of Minecraft on my PlayStation 3. So I'm going to kill your ass right now. Now, since you're dead, you don't have to keep making emergency alert system moves and ruin my video games ever again. Enjoy misery and hell, you bitch.
You bitch. How dare you kill the emergency alert system reporter?
Because I was so fucking mad because he had ruined my game in Minecraft. That's why I aligned to kill him to death.
I really don't care. No excuses, young man. You are grounded for life. Go upstairs, you little bitch.